Don't throw away your fish head. I'm showing you how to make a rich, comforting, and flavorful salmon fish head soup that's packed with nutrients and tastes absolutely amazing. Welcome back to Melv's Kitchen where tradition meets flavor. First, I thoroughly clean the fish head with limes and cut into pieces. Here are the dry ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. I'm adding black pepper, white pepper. The full ingredients will be listed in the description below. Next, add the dry seasoning to the fish. Make sure every piece is coated evenly. Next, I'm adding my homemade green seasoning. If you haven't seen how I made it, be sure to check out the video in my playlist. Once the fish is well seasoned, set it aside to marinate. There is no better way to enjoy a healthy fish soup than with a starchy root vegetable. For this recipe, I'm using cocoyam, which adds great texture and makes the soup even more satisfying. Cocoyam is a tropical root vegetable and you can usually find it at most African markets or Asia grocery store. After peeling the cocoyam, wash it thoroughly and cut into a medium size. Transfer it into a pot, cover it with water, and allow it to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next, air fry the fish for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's lightly golden and firm. If you don't have an air fryer, you can achieve the similar results by doing a shallow fry in a pot or a frying pan. Both method works well and adds great flavor to the soup. Next, blend together your bell pepper, habanero, and onion until smooth. You only need a small amount of bell pepper for this recipe. Here are the rest of the fresh ingredients that I'll be adding to the soup. More depth of flavor. In a cooking pot, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and allow it to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add your vegetables and begin sauteing them gently. These steps help release their natural flavors and create a delicious base for the soup. Saute the vegetable for about 5 minutes. Pour hot water into the pot. The amount you will add depends on how much soup you are making. Add your carrots. Add enough water to cover up the ingredients and create a flavorful broth. Allow it to cook. Add salt to taste. Finally, add the fish to the pot and allow everything to come to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for a few minutes so all the flavors can blend together beautifully and create a rich and flavorful soup. To finish, add your green vegetables and herbs for a fresh garnish and extra touch of color and flavor. And there you have it. Your delicious fish head pepper soup is ready to be served. You can enjoy it on its own or pair it with some cocoyam for a satisfying taste. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Follow along for more delicious African recipe.